Have you ever wondered? Hello everyone, welcome back to Inquisitive Creation. My name is Gilo, and I will be your trusted companion to explain things you ever wondered about but does not exactly know what they are. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get better results from their diet and exercise routine than others, even when they follow the same plan? The answer may lie in the concept of nutrient timing. Nutrient timing is the strategic planning of when you consume certain nutrients in relation to your physical activity and overall daily routine. Nutrient timing is a topic that has garnered significant attention in the world of sports nutrition and fitness. It revolves around the idea that the timing of your nutrient intake can influence various physiological processes such as muscle growth, recovery, and energy utilization. By optimizing when you consume certain macronutrients like proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, you can potentially enhance your performance, aid in muscle recovery, and support your overall health and fitness goals. In this video, we'll dive deep into the science behind nutrient timing, exploring the latest research and evidence-based strategies. We'll cover the benefits of proper nutrient timing, potential drawbacks to consider, and practical applications for athletes, bodybuilders, and everyday individuals seeking to optimize their health and performance. So, whether you're an elite athlete striving for that competitive edge or someone simply interested in learning more about this fascinating topic, this video is for you. Get ready to unlock the power of nutrient timing and take your nutrition game to the next level. But before we get started, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, and share this video. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss on my new videos. Your support means the world for a small YouTube channel like mine. At the core of nutrient timing lies the understanding of how our bodies respond to and utilize different nutrients at different times of the day, particularly in relation to physical activity. To fully grasp this concept, we need to explore the roles of the primary macronutrients, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. First, let's talk about proteins. Proteins are essential for muscle growth, repair, and recovery. When we exercise, particularly during resistance training, our muscle fibers undergo microscopic damage. This damage triggers a process called muscle protein synthesis, or MPS. This is our body's way of repairing and rebuilding the damaged muscle fibers, leading to muscle growth and increased strength. The timing of protein intake plays a crucial role in optimizing MPS. Research has shown that consuming protein within 30 minutes to 2 hours after exercise can enhance muscle protein synthesis and recovery. This is because during this period, our muscles are primed to utilize the amino acids from the dietary protein for repair and rebuilding. Additionally, studies suggested that consuming a fast-digesting protein, such as whey protein, immediately after exercise provides a rapid influx of amino acids to the muscles to optimize the anabolic response. Next, let's discuss about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the primary fuel source for our bodies, providing energy for various activities, including exercise. During intense physical activity, our muscles rely heavily on glycogen, which are stored carbohydrates in our body for energy production. Proper carbohydrate timing can help replenish glycogen stores and support optimal performance and recovery. Research has shown that consuming carbohydrates before and during prolonged endurance activities can improve performance by maintaining blood glucose levels and delaying fatigue. Furthermore, consuming carbohydrates immediately after exercise, especially in combination with protein, can enhance muscle glycogen resynthesis and promote faster recovery. This is particularly important for athletes or individuals engaging in intense training sessions or competitions on consecutive days. And finally, let's talk the last macronutrient, fats. While fats are not directly involved in energy production during exercise, They play a crucial role in overall health, hormone production, and nutrient absorption. The timing of fat intake can influence various physiological processes, including appetite regulation and inflammation. Research suggests that consuming healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and fatty fish, around workouts help reduce muscle protein breakdown and support muscle recovery. However, it's recommended to limit fat intake immediately before or during intense exercise, as it can slow digestion and potentially cause gastrointestinal discomfort. Additionally, the timing of fat intake can influence insulin sensitivity, which is important for nutrient partitioning and overall metabolic health. Consuming fats at the right times can help maintain insulin sensitivity and support optimal nutrient utilization. By understanding and applying the principles of nutrient timing, individuals can potentially experience a range of benefits that can support their fitness goals and overall health. Here are some of the key advantages. First is improved performance. Proper nutrient timing can optimize energy availability and fuel utilization during physical activity, leading to improved performance. By consuming the right nutrients at the right times, athletes and active individuals can maintain consistent energy levels, delay fatigue, and potentially push through more intense or prolonged workouts. Second is enhanced muscle growth and recovery. As discussed earlier, consuming protein within the anabolic window after resistance training can maximize muscle protein synthesis and support muscle growth and repair. Additionally, strategically timing carbohydrate intake can replenish glycogen stores and aid in faster recovery for more effective training sessions and reduced muscle soreness. Third is better energy utilization. By strategically timing nutrient intake, individuals can optimize their body's ability to utilize different energy sources efficiently. For example, consuming carbohydrates before and during endurance activities can help spare muscle glycogen and promote better fat utilization. This leads to improved endurance performance. Fourth is potential fat loss. While nutrient timing alone may not directly lead to significant fat loss, it can support a favorable metabolic environment and nutrient partitioning. By strategically timing protein and carbohydrate intake around workouts, individuals can potentially enhance their body's ability to utilize nutrients. This facilitates muscle growth and recovery while minimizing fat storage. Fifth is improved insulin sensitivity. Proper nutrient timing, particularly in relation to carbohydrate intake, can help maintain optimal insulin sensitivity. Insulin is a hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels and nutrient partitioning. By consuming carbohydrates at the right times, such as around workouts, individuals can potentially improve their insulin sensitivity. This can have positive impacts on overall metabolic health and body composition. Sixth and the last advantage of nutrient timing is appetite regulation. The timing of nutrient intake can also influence appetite and hunger levels. By strategically timing meals and snacks, individuals can potentially experience better appetite control, which can support weight management goals and prevent overeating. Now, while nutrient timing can offer numerous benefits, it's important to acknowledge potential drawbacks and considerations. First is the need for careful planning. Implementing nutrient timing strategies effectively requires careful planning and preparation. Individuals need to be mindful of their daily schedules, workout times, and meal planning too. Ensure they consume the right nutrients at the optimal times. This can be challenging, especially for those with busy lifestyles or unpredictable schedules. Second is the potential nutrient imbalances. If not properly planned, nutrient timing strategies could potentially lead to nutrient imbalances or deficiencies. For example, an excessive focus on pre- and post-workout nutrition might cause individuals to neglect overall daily nutrient requirements for optimal health. Third is individual differences. It's important to recognize that individuals may respond differently to nutrient timing strategies due to genetic factors, age, fitness level, and various other variables. What works for one person may not necessarily yield the same results for another. Fourth is stress and adherence. Strict adherence to nutrient timing protocols can be mentally and logistically stressful for some individuals. This added stress may counteract potential benefits or lead to poor adherence over time, ultimately undermining the effectiveness of the strategy. Fifth and last drawback of nutrient timing is practicality and sustainability. In some cases, nutrient timing strategies may not be practical or sustainable in the long term, especially for individuals with busy lifestyles. It's crucial to find an approach that aligns with individual preferences, goals, and lifestyle factors. Now, to better understand the practical applications of nutrient timing, let's explore some real-world examples. The first real-life example is an endurance athlete named Sarah. Sarah is a competitive long-distance runner who trains for marathons and ultramarathons. To support her demanding training regimen and optimize her performance, she has implemented a nutrient timing strategy focused on carbohydrate loading and hydration. Before her long runs or races, Sarah consumes a carbohydrate-rich meal, such as whole grain pasta or a nutrient-dense smoothie, to ensure her glycogen stores are fully loaded. During her runs, she carries sports drinks and consumes them at regular intervals to maintain consistent energy levels and prevent bonking. After her training sessions or races, Sarah prioritizes replenishing her glycogen stores by consuming a combination of carbohydrates and protein within the first 30 minutes. This strategy has helped her recover more quickly and minimize muscle soreness, allowing her to train consistently and perform at her best during races. The second example is a busy business professional named Mike. Mike is a busy marketing executive who struggles to find time for regular exercise and healthy meal preparation to optimize his limited time and support his fitness goals. He has implemented nutrient timing strategies focused on convenience and practicality. Before his morning workouts, Mike consumes a nutrient-dense protein bar or a pre-made smoothie with protein powder and frozen fruit. This provides him with the necessary fuel and nutrients to power through his exercise routine. After his workouts, Mike keeps a ready-to-drink protein shake or a pre-portioned meal replacement shake in his bag. This allowed him to quickly consume the necessary nutrients for recovery while on the go or at his desk. Throughout the day, Mike relies on nutrient-dense snacks such as Greek yogurt, nuts, and fresh fruits. This ensures he's getting a balanced intake of macronutrients and supporting his overall health and energy levels. These real-world examples demonstrate the diverse applications of nutrient timing strategies and how they can be tailored to individual goals, lifestyles, and preferences. By understanding the principles of nutrient timing and adapting them to their unique circumstances, individuals can potentially optimize their performance, recovery, and overall health. Now, throughout this video, we've discussed the numerous benefits of proper nutrient timing. This included improved performance, enhanced muscle growth and recovery, better energy utilization, potential fat loss, improved insulin sensitivity, and appetite regulation. However, we've also acknowledged potential drawbacks and considerations. These involve the need for careful planning, the risk of nutrient imbalances, individual differences, stress and adherence, and practicality and sustainability. Through real-world examples and case studies, we've explored the practical applications of nutrient timing strategies for endurance athletes and busy professionals. These examples highlight the versatility of nutrient timing and how it can be tailored to individual goals, lifestyles, and preferences. It's important to remember that nutrient timing is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Individual differences, such as genetics, age, fitness level, and personal preferences, can influence how individuals respond to various nutrient timing strategies. Additionally, factors like lifestyle, schedule, and access to specific foods or supplements can impact the practicality and sustainability of these strategies. If you're considering implementing nutrient timing strategies, it's highly recommended to consult with a qualified healthcare professional or sports nutritionist. They can help you develop a personalized plan that aligns with your specific goals, lifestyle, and individual circumstances. Remember, nutrient timing is just one aspect of a comprehensive approach to health and fitness. It should be combined with a balanced diet, regular physical activity, adequate hydration, and a healthy lifestyle overall. So, whether you're an athlete striving for peak performance, or someone simply interested in optimizing your overall health and well-being, embrace the power of nutrient timing. Find the strategies that work best for you and enjoy the journey towards reaching your full potential. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on nutrition and health. Hit the like and share buttons, and don't forget to ring that notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. Together, let's optimize our nutrition for peak performance. This is your friend Gilo, signing off from Inquisitive Creation. Thank you so much for watching.